In today's video, I want to carry on our conversation about the Sniperoo app. Before we start off, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for presentation and entertaining purposes. Do your own research before you decided to put any asset inside a crypto or any other financial assets. Okay, so basically you have to do your own research. Everything is very risky, guys. All right. So let's go ahead and pick up where we left off. Okay, so we discussed in previous video, we discussed Sniperoo.app, how to log in, okay, basic functionalities, how to integrate extension inside your browser, okay, how the extension works. Okay, I do encourage you to go and watch that one there from yesterday. But now let's go and carry on discussion about the Sniperoo fees. Okay, when it comes to trading bots, okay, let's say that there is a few out there which everyone who is in trading meme coins they already know. Okay, and those bots are usually charging the customers based on the trading fees. Okay, some of those also have additional fees in form of priority fees and also as a subscription. They are also based on a subscription. Okay, when it comes to Sniperoo, okay, so let's go and start here, right? Platform fee first. So there is no subscription, okay, just a trade. Okay, so we share the opinion that the established crypto trading bot fee system is quite efficient. As such, our platform is completely free to use, with no subscription fees or tiered pricing plans. The only cost you will encounter is our transparent transaction fee, which is quite interesting because there is nothing except this 0.9 fee per transaction when it comes to platform fee, right? So you don't have to worry about any sort of subscription, for example, right? In most cases, okay, those platform fees, okay, they are a little bit higher than 0.9. So that's already 10% lower than the industry standard of 1% charged by most Solana trading bonds. Okay, and that's true. Most Solana trading bots are charging 1%. Okay, they started off charging the customers from 1% going up. Okay, even all the way to 1.5%, right? When it comes here with Sniperoo, okay, you'll be paid 0.9, which is already 10% discount from the standard fee, right? And they're also applicable special discounts. Okay, so you might be eligible for special discounts. Okay, so some traders enjoy permanent fee reduction. Check if you are one of the categories that enjoy those benefits. Okay, so early adopters, our first 100 registered users receive a permanent 10% discount on all transactions as a thank you for believing in Sniperoo early. Okay, I don't think, guys, you might be eligible for this one because I'm pretty sure there's more than 100 already registered users out there. Okay, so it's not applicable here, right? For most of you guys, I'm pretty sure for anyone who is watching this video at this stage. However, referred users, okay, join through a referral link and enjoy a permanent 5% discount on all your trades. What it means is if you guys join using my referral link, which I'll be posting inside the description of this video, you, instead of paying 0.9% fee, okay, which is already discounted by at least 10% from industry standard of 1%, you will, on top of that, you will receive 5% discount. Okay, but that's only when you use the referral link, which I'll be posting below inside the description. Okay, so referral links allows you to receive that special discount of 5%. So you, on average, you'll be paying around 0.85 percentage point per transaction. Okay, when it comes to those platform fees, right? And that's very interesting, right? Because it's already much cheaper than the competitors actually are charging for, right? Now, another thing when it comes to the fees is where you go to the transaction settings, okay, you can also make some savings here, right? So what it does, okay, it's giving you opportunity to set your own slippage. Okay, they don't have a priority fees. Okay, so Sniperoo is not using any sort of priority fees. What they do instead, actually, they send in every transaction through a JITA tip, right? So they're using it by default. They're using all the transaction, going through the JITA. Okay, so they actually encourage you to go and use dynamic JITA tip, right? And those dynamic G2 tips have been refreshed every 15 minutes, okay? Those are dynamic here. They are changing every so often, right? So let's say that this is something you want to use as a by default, right? So let's say that you want to use the normal when you buy, okay, the G2 tip level, and when you sell, you want to go fast, right? So let's say that we go to the normal at least now, okay? You got 15 minutes, right? Every 15 minutes has been changed, okay? Let's say that for the buy, okay, you can go and copy this Jito fee here and paste it over here, okay? And when it goes to sell, right? For example, you want to go and sell it fast, so you copy it here and you paste it over there, right? And this is something which will be pushed through Jito on these levels, right? And as I said, like you can always go and do those changes the way like you prefer, right? Same with the slippage, okay? You can go and set your own slippage. You can increase to 50, you can decrease to 20. It depends on yourself, right? I also highly encourage you to go and check those dynamic Jito tips on a regular basis, okay? And you also might need to go and check with the guys inside the Discord, talk to them, right? What is the best way to set them up, okay? Before you make any sort of decision, always make sure that that you know what you are doing here, right? So, by the time you'll be watching this video, it might be completely different, right? So it's very important to keep up to date, all right? And once you save it, okay, once you save those settings, all right, those Jito tips will stay there unless you're gonna go and check them, all right? So let's say that you want to save that, those Jito feeds are there, and it's been successfully updated, right? And now you can go and push a transaction through, and those GTOTs will give you additional savings, okay? It depends yourself how do you want to use them, what levels you want to use, okay? But it said, like, all those transactions will be pushed through the GTO tip instead of a priority fee, okay? Which also gives you additional savings on top of that platform fee of 0.9, and if you use the referral link, around 0.85%, okay? All this together, okay, it gives you additional benefits of lower fees, right? Well, let's go back to this transaction settings, okay? So let's say that you're trading for less than one sol, okay? So this should be right, like normal and fast. If you want to go up to one sol and above, okay, I believe that for buy it might be at least fast for buy settings, right? Fast and fast, it's because you're doing the more level, the higher volume, okay, for higher level transactions, okay, and you might want to go push that through faster, okay. And that's something which you can go and set this up by yourself, right? And you can use those levels which they have been here dynamically changed, right? So as I said, guys, do your own research before you make those settings, okay? But those settings are created here for you to make additional savings, okay? So now, uh, what I want to also cover here in this video is when we go to their Discord, okay, I think the Discord of Sniperoo is quite significant thing, okay, so there's over 5,000 users already there, okay, and they are very active, right, and you can go ahead and you can join the Discord. It's free of charge to go ahead and join the Discord. You just need to go here, click on the Discord, and you'll be redirected to the platform. If you don't have a Discord account, you just need to go and set up one for yourself. But if you do one, you'll be added this community. This server will be automatically added into your profile. Okay, obviously you need to go the usual way through the rules. Okay, and you can start interact with the guys out there. Okay, general topics. There you go. Look, they are very very active here. They give you a full the guys who actually run this platform, okay, they are very active on the Discord group. So you have any questions, just type it in and somebody will definitely do come back to you, okay. They also what they have here, okay, they have like a subgroups, okay, subtopics here, which are very important here. Like for example, somebody who wants to get into the trading, Solana Mincoins already inside the Solana Mincoins trading. Okay, you can use the Pantheon trenches. Okay, that's this section. Okay, BNB trenches, crypto discussions. Okay, trading strategies. This is which I really do like. Okay, because here you will be having those type of conversations. Okay, with the other people here available, and you can go and check. Look how many those different trading strategies being covered here. Okay, so I think that's a quite cool to join that also to talk about it, right? So copy trading, there you go, another subgroup where you can go and start, asking questions, right? Talking calls, if you got any calls which which you want to go and share with the group, you can definitely go do it here, or you can just simply go and check what the calls are been done recently, and you never know, some of those calls might be profitable, right? Very important here, guys, before I move on, right, is when it comes to Sniperoo, okay, this add extension, right, when you click on it, okay, we have this add extension, and let's say that we are pushing that through on the side, right, and this add extension is traveling with you wherever you go, okay, on this Chrome browser, right? Look, I'm changing here, I'm going to the next screener, and this thing is staying here, right? When it comes to the Discord, okay, what this extension is helpful with, okay, if you, let's say, on the DAX screener or GMGN or even on the Twitter, right here, you can see there. Let's say that we want to check this one here, okay? Automatically, see that extension here? It's been popping up, right? And so basically, Sniperoo is following wherever you go, and if it finds some sort of token, okay, address, will automatically will pop it up for you, okay, just for the speed, okay, and you can go and click straight away and buy it, right? I think it's very helpful when it comes to speed. Is very important with those type of transactions, right? When it comes to Discord, however, you also have this functionality. However, this functionality is not available on the Discord app, okay? You need to go and you need to use the Discord browser version, right? So once you click on here, okay, I already been logged inside my app, so I won't show you guys. But once you log in here, instead of going and instead of clicking just redirect to Discord app, just stay online on the browser, okay? And if you're on the browser, this Sniper ad extension will follow you also on the Discord, and all those addresses, okay, will also be populated the same way like they are here over here, right? You'll be able to see it the same way, okay, and you can click and automatically buy if you decided to do so. That's something you want to go ahead and buy it, right? So now let's move on, okay? Gains and losses, another one which is very important. People are sharing, okay, but this is something which people, if they have a successful, trades, they definitely want to go and just do some, shilling around. Also, if somebody have a bad trade, they also might share this with you. They should want to share with the group, okay? So there you go. Some people actually are quite successful, in recent times, right? So this is something which you might also want to go and read it through from time to time. It gives you additional inspiration. Token stats, okay, here you go. You got official Trigger King, okay, all the stats available here, guys are sharing on a regular basis, okay. Twitter is very important, okay. They also give you the bot, which is going to scrape the Twitter, okay, and it's giving you all the up-to-date information. So let's say that you want to go and start trading something on the regular basis, let's say on GMGN. You can have a Sniperoo, this Sniperoo at the extension on the right hand side. Let's say in the middle you want to have some GMGN, or you want to have a DEX screener. And also on the side, you might want to have this Twitter, okay? So this tweet rule is updated regularly, okay, and it's giving you all the most important tweets, the most relevant tweets which relates to the crypto trading, okay, especially the Solana because Twitter quick crypto trading, okay, and as we all know, okay, some of those Twitter bots, okay, are there for you, but you can go and you need to purchase them, right? Here you don't have to, okay, you can even join the Sniperoo Discord for free, and you get access to this Twitter. Okay, it's very important, and I think it's quite cool, right? So Telegram Alpha Signals, there you go. The Telegram aggregator again, okay, another bot is giving you the signals coming from the Telegram. As we all know, Telegram is also something which is quite significant when it comes to different sort of signals on Solana trading. Okay, so also it's built in. Okay, also free to use for you guys to join, even if you don't want to trade and you want to just get hang around, get yourself into the know to into know well what the subject is about. Okay, I do encourage you to, before you start even consider trading, you just need to go and familiarize yourself with those groups. Okay, ask many questions, and the guys here are very, very responsive. Okay, so you'll be able to get a bunch of knowledge out of this. Okay, and I decided this something. Okay, yeah, I'm ready. I can place a few little bets here and there. Okay, but before you do that, you make sure that you do your own research. Okay, and this Discord group is definitely helping you out with completion. Okay, of these, right? So, and also signal discussions are all those signals which you see above, right? You'll be able to discuss that with the group members, right? I think that's quite cool. I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, guys. Okay, uh, I covered this in those two videos. I covered it all when it comes to how to set this up. About the charges, what's differentiate this Hypera from the other tools. When it comes, for example, that this is one of the top platforms with the highest fees. Okay, when it comes to pricing. Okay, we went through the ad extension, went through the setting up the feeds when on the transaction settings. Okay, we went through the Discord. So yeah, I think, guys, that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you got any questions, just leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it'll be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.